Hey guys, Wash Pepper here, and today I am testing out the can opener slash bottle opener on a can of coconut milk. Shut this door. I'm guessing no one in my family wants to have coconut milk that went out of date 3 years ago, so I'm good to go to test the can opener on this. Bear Grylls Ultimate Multi-Tool, a review on that, so I don't need to go in any depth. It just has a knife, 2 knives and such, so just see how well it performed. Okay, if I can use it. I'm not very good at can opening, as you can see. In a pinch, it's obviously in your bug out bag. You don't want to be wasting room with massive can openers. Yeah, I'm getting the hang of this now. It's not very. It's not. I don't think it's supposed to be sharp because it isn't. It's not sharp, really. You can see there. Come on. Focus in, damn you. I just want to focus in. But we did. Hey, there we go. It's got no edge at all. But it still performs pretty good, I guess. This coconut stuff is horrible. Even I wouldn't eat this. So, Bear Grylls Ultimate Multi-Tool can opener. Sure, it works fine. So does the bottle opener. So, just open this up, finish it off, finish the job. Sorry about that, got hay fever. Come on. Yeah. That's supposed to be milk. Look at it. It's not so much of a milk substance, is it? Alright guys, so yep, it's possible. You can open cans with the Bear Grylls Ultimate Multi-Tool can opener. It's not the best. But how long did I do it? That took me about a minute, so yeah, it's possible. Alright, thanks for watching this video on the Bear Grylls Ultimate Multi-Tool can opener. Glad you enjoyed it, and peace.